All right, we're back in the bathroom. Now we're going to talk about what I do at night. So at night, I didn't want to bore you with watching me wash my face. But at night I do this one-step cleanse with multi-cleanse, DefenAge, with prebiotics. What are prebiotics? Well, they're like probiotics, only before probiotics. They're prebiotics, and what they do is they make the balance of bacteria normal on your skin to make it healthier. And I'll tell you, it feels super clean. You only need a little bit. It's very concentrated. For those of you who know me well and watch my morning video about my morning routine, you are probably wondering, where did DefenAge come in? Because DefenAge has been kind of synonymous with my name ever since I did a study and I was the lead author on their 3-in-1 product, or their trio product, and the results were phenomenal and showed improvement just about every measure of aging. And what's so special about them? Well, they have these molecules in them called defensins, hence DefenAge. And defensins are small molecules that are usually sprung to life when you have a cut or a scrape, and what they do is they turn on the sleeping stem cells in your skin to make new skin. They literally, it's like knocking on the door, hello, stem cells, it's time for you to wake up. And these particular stem cells actually don't ever wake up except for if you've cut or scraped your skin. So they're very fresh and very new. They can make brand new skin like you were a baby. This product, the 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream, is the first step you put on. It's got defensins, but it's also got chock full of antioxidants. We talked about how important those are to repair your damage of your skin. And then afterwards, in a little bit of a reverse, usually you put a serum on before a cream, you put the 8-in-1 BioSerum on, which is chock full of 8 times the amount of defensins. And it feels so good going on. I love putting it on at night. It's so refreshing when I'm dead tired and I really don't want to put on my skincare. I just want to jump in bed and then I think, oh, it's going to feel so good. And so that's why I reserve it for night, because I'm so much less motivated to do skincare at night. And I look forward to doing this every night. So now I put on that, which is going to make new skin all night. It's going to be waking up my stem cells while I sleep. They also came out with an eye cream, which I love as well, although I used to just put that under my eyes. But this is the 3D Eye Radiance Cream. And besides defensins, which are phenomenal for wrinkles and brightness, and just about everything else that you could measure. And it's safe to use all the way around the eye. It also has other ingredients that you would expect in an eye cream to help with crepiness. I always put a little bit too extra over my lip, hoping that I can keep those wrinkles from forming there. So usually I pick the best of each different product line. That's why you saw in the morning that I used multiple different brands. But at night, I reserve for my favorites, which is the DefenAge line of products, because they're just stupendous and are real game changers in the skincare industry in terms of their science and their actual efficacy. They work amazingly. So I'm all ready to go to bed. Night, night.